town.
Body critical.
Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy.
Bow. Hello. Hey, y'all thought the video was over, huh? No. I just wanted to give y'all a little brief tour of my room. Not much, but you know what I'm saying. So right here, we got, you know what I'm saying, where the magic happens, you know what I'm saying. Talking about sleep, you know what I'm saying. So we got nasty little kids out there. Anyways, you know what I'm saying, got the system over here. Old Xbox and stuff, you know what I'm saying. Nothing over here really. Got my Christmas tree. I'm a billionaire boy, you feel me? Simple, simple, simple. Alright, we're gonna go to the closet, you know what I'm saying? Check out the sneaker collection, man. My sneaker collection, man, you know what I'm saying? It's a little weak right now, but it's gonna get up there. We're gonna start off with on the feet right now. My Crocs, man. The whole motherfucking fire. You can't tell me the whole is not fire, nigga. If you ain't got no Crocs, you lame. And that's the Gucci flip-flops, I ain't got nothing on these Crocs. You feel me? What in it do, man? My Hirachis, boy, the peaches, man, you feel me? Drip out on your bitch.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Next, we got these. I don't even know what the name of these is. I don't even wear these hoes. I never wore these hoes before. Got them for my birthday like 2 years ago. They're ugly to me. So I mean, I might as well give them away. Let me know your sauce. I ain't gonna much lie. If you ain't got a pair of these, you probably ain't getting no play. The Uggs, you know what I'm saying? Excuse the front of them, I tried to hoop in them. You feel me? So, gotta give me some more, but you know what I'm saying? They're real Australian, you feel me? Australian.
Let me feel that. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Man, if you don't sit your goddamn uncle ass pistol grip chin down somewhere.
You know. I'm gonna call these the Speedrunner Blues, man. I don't know what they is, but these hoes about light as hell. Honestly, most of these shoes I don't even wear. Like, I'm gonna start circling through my shoes, man. I got my that boy Zion Vans, you feel me? You see it. You see it. And I got my Air Force Ones. One of them, you feel me? Both on my foot. I got the tacticals, man, just in case I gotta get physical with a young nigga and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? These in the field type boots, you feel me? Not trying these heavy motherfuckers on these cinder block ass boots. But gotta get the drip. Get straight to the heat now, like fuck all the rest of these shoes. These hoes really ugly. Like, I mean, look at me. You know, it's like really not all like that, man. I ain't really got it like that yet, you feel me? But I got a little bit, you feel me? I'm about to just get straight to my heat. A couple pairs of heat, you feel me? Right here, I got my motherfucker. Ah, shit, boy. Damn, that motherfucker. Oh, boy. Got my motherfucking Vapor Max, Come on, man. Golly. Don't that make you wanna? Oh, let me stop. But, you know what I'm saying? New cops. I ain't trying these on foot. Y'all feel the drip. I already don't know what it is when I put lip box out, but you know what I'm saying? Look.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We going like that. Hello? Answer the phone, it's your girl. Oh shit, man, stop playing with her. Yeah, got my Yeezys, man. More on the way though. More on the way. Cause I was comfortable here. I mean, let me see. I mean, I just do it once, I did. Them hoes beat up. Them hoes got beat up at a party. Got jumped. Look at them beaters. Try to catch the drill, man. Try to catch the drill. Now you gotta go. You gotta go, man. You gotta, bro. Get out, bro. Get out, bro.
Kickback. This ain't no party, this a kickback. Yeah, this Glock 40 ain't got no kickback, but it push your shit back. Hollows always mismatch. Nigga, where your bitch at? Yeah, I'm tryna hit that. What the woods, I need that. Loyalty, I see that. Loyalty, I bleed that. Stay in your books, go read that. Show us what a weed that. That package took, you see that. Lil' CJ, that my seed, yeah. We gon' eat, yeah. When them sides get to ringing, them hollows get to stinging. They say I'm not cut, but my middle name demon. Gotta get to that paper. That's why I'm steady scheming. Pour that dirty in my cup. It got me straight leaning. I swear your bitch a fool the way she swallow all my semen. She don't leave a drop. For that nut, I swear that she be feeling when I cop a drop. Wrist and neck gon' stay blingin'. Make it to the top. I'm versatile. I'll start singing kickback. This ain't no party. This a kickback. Yeah, this Glock 40 ain't.
Body critical.
Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy. Fuck with your boy.